I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening.
Buenos días. Since it's like really cold outside, I am wearing just a plain t-shirt and sweatpants. I'm gonna go make my coffee and you're gonna spend some time with me today. I made some huevo con salchichas. Now best part of the day. Salud. It just tastes so good. The baby is napping, so let's see what we can get done in 30 minutes. Now for the homemade meals that I'm gonna be making today, I'm gonna be making mac and cheese. I'm gonna be using 2 of the sharp cheddar. Can you guys see that? Is it focusing? The sharp cheddar and 1 of the mozzarella cheese. And I bought these from Aldi if you would like to know. And I'm over here. Oh my goodness, the baby just grabbed the camera. Oh my goodness, but I'm just, you know, shredding. And I have the water boiling right now. She's gonna grab it again. I'll be right back. Once the water is boiling, we are going to be putting the shells in. I use this one right here. Put a timer for 10 minutes. Now to cook it, I just follow the instructions on the box. I forgot to mention you are going to cook the noodles until del dente or something like that. I forgot the name of it, but not too hard and not too soft. And now we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. I forgot the laundry, so let's go do the laundry. 3 tablespoons of butter. You mix until it's melted. Once it's completely melted, you're gonna put a drizzle of milk. And then mix. Your desired of seasoning. I'm gonna put paprika in it, garlic salt, and argolla. And mix. Once that is completely mixed, you're gonna put your cheeses. And you're gonna put little by little until it's like completely melted. And you are gonna leave a little bit for the end. I'll show you. If it gets too thick, just add more milk. It's all about preference here. You don't have to put as much cheese as I did. You can put less. And just mix. Until it's all completely melted. And add more mozzarella cheese. And mix. More milk. Can I add more cheddar cheese? One more here. And one more here, and just leave like about that much of mozzarella and about that much of cheddar cheese. You are going to add some sour cream. Oh, my hands are slippery from washing my hands. Now for the sour cream, you're not going to add too much. Well, depending on if you like the sour cream or not. I'm just going to add a little bit because my husband doesn't like that much sour cream. And my kids don't either. So you can add the whole thing if you like the sour cream. Now you're going to add your mac and cheese in here. So heavy. Make sure to get all of that goodness. You're gonna sprinkle the mozzarella. And now for the cheddar cheese. And now that's how we make the macaroni and cheese. Now I'm going to put it in the oven until all this is crunchy. Not crunchy, but like colorful. Now for the taste test. I want some of that crunchy crunch. So good. So creamy, crunchy on the top. Oh my goodness. I hope you give it a try.
Let me go now, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now, now. 'Cause your love